Okay, this is the company POM Schwing BPA500. Right now is in the process of being refurbished. So all parts was requested to the factory. So as soon we get the parts, we install, the technician put it all together. Also, the original plate was lost, and we did already we ordered to Schwing factory the original plate. We have to send it over to Schwing. Picture of the machine, also the serial number. You can see here the serial number 171500459. So this machine is still working, this equipment right now, and I'm gonna show you after the 100% refurbished and completely done, the machine will be like this. It's completely paint, whole paint. This is how the machine looks like when done.